The guy's saying you have to have the TPS, throttle position sensor. You got to put that on first and wire it in. Then we got to put the speed sensor. We got to wire that in.
This is my dad. He's helping me restore Jedediah, a 1987 Jeep Grand Wagoneer I purchased off a guy in an RV park for $2,500 about 2 years ago.
Then hook everything else up. Then when you first power it up, he said it'll ask you for the TPS sensor reading. So you got to mash it all the way to the floor and let it all the way back up. And the computer says, okay. Then you can start.
I grew up helping and watching my dad fix things, from medical equipment to old cars and everything in between. He's a tinkerer. He's always working on something.
And I was like, he said, let me guess, you didn't want to hook it up. He said, don't be scared. Don't be scared. Oh, he said, what do you think he said? Either go shift or it ain't go shift. They go shift 1, 2, 3, 4. If it go from first to fourth, you screwed up.
Well, if we screw up, what happens then? We just try it again, or what?
I guess.
I originally wanted to restore the wagon to use for shoots, so I had something fun to put my gear in. But now it's more about just spending time with him and working on this project together.
Get to fit this thing. 3 prong. We might have a cable around here that can fit this. Ground and sensor reading. Which one is which, I don't know yet. But anyway, we gotta mount this, then wire it up for it to be right. They give you this little mounting bracket for your stuff won't look all ragged. Well, it works though. Look at that. Okay. You still, I'm gonna smack you.
When I look at the wagon and how much I've spent on the wagon, I see quantifiable memories that I'm making with him.
It ended up being right there. So you got a lot of cable.
Okay.
We got a lot of cable. So we can mount it over here somewhere against the wall or something. Or we can mount it closer. But I thought square it up right about here and run it over there, right?